Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sunday, and in one of my other videos I said that I pick and choose what days that I work. Well, I am currently at a building that I'm about to go into, and right now this is what I'm going to be taking in. My bag of rags and some cleaners, and put my coffee down and a mop. So I will see you when I get in there. So this is the inside that I do. We're gonna go back here. Gonna open this door, and we're going to kind of, like to prop the doors open. And then we do these bathrooms. This is what I do. I do this every day of the week, but I like to come down here on the weekends too, so I do all of this. Yeah, I gotta make sure that they have toilet paper. I gotta empty out the garbage cans and stuff. Hi everybody. That's what I do, is I just come in and I prepare myself. I said I get to take my time doing this if I want to. Sorry, I'm gonna prop this door open. And then there's the men's bathroom. And I do the same in here. Clean the urinals, toilets, make sure they have toilet paper, make sure that they have paper towels, which they do, pull the trash, do the sinks and the mirrors. Yep, I just, pull the trash, make sure that they do. Just sorry guys. That's not gonna be good. And then, look at this floor. Can you see this floor? This floor is a mess. It's a mess because of all of this salt. It looks like that they have knocked a lot of the salt away from the door. But yeah, guys, I wipe down all of the tables in here. I'll wipe the fingerprints and stuff like that, sanitize the refrigerators, pull the trash, wipe down all of this. They spill coffee a lot on these cabinets. I wipe that. What I don't do is the inside of the microwaves or the inside of the refrigerator. So, but I pull the trash, and this is what I do. Is simple and very easy. That's why I like to come down here on a Saturday or Sunday to work. Just because it's peaceful, more peaceful. Monday through Thursday, there's actually people here working. So, all right, I'll come back. And here I'm going to be filling up my mop bucket. This is a janitorial closet. I'm going to be put my gloves on, put my mop on here. This is the day in my life as a solo cleaner. But I like working for myself. This, we're going to put some water in this bucket. Hot water, like I want the floor out there. little bit of pine sol in there. The company provides this. I do not buy it. Voila. And there you go. Right here and stack them back there. It's just much easier for me to do this floor. You know, to mop it, you know, make sure that I can, you know, sweep it all up. So that's what I'm going to be doing next, is putting all them chairs up. Everyone, I'm in the women's bathroom and I'm going to, you know, do this area. I'm going to do the bathrooms and yeah, so then, and then I'll tell you how long this usually takes me without actually putting it on video. Anyway, we'll be back. Show you that I shine these up, you know, makes it look so much more cleaner. And I use this, you know, just a little oil-based stainless steel cleaner that I like to use for these, just in case you guys are doing commercial and you want to do that. Makes it look much. Okay guys, it usually takes me about 45 minutes to an hour to get that done. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy coming along with me while I clean. And this is truly a life of a solo cleaner. I'm by myself. There's nobody else in my car with me but me. Anyway, I'll show you some more videos like this. If you want, let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.